Hello students, previous lectures we have seen in data frame, like how to perform data frame, empty data frame, list data frame, dictionary, through dictionary data frame, how to create. Pandas is a very important thing, we can access it. Now iteration of rows and columns, if you want to access row or column, we can access it. First of all, we need to, if you want to access record or data from a data frame, row wise or column wise, then iteration is required. So two types of functions are there. Iter row stands for accessing row and iter items accessing for columns. Uh, it is used to access the data row wise. Row wise data we can access it. So import pandas as PD L. This is list. Inside the list, dictionary is name Sachin, surname Bhardwaj, name Vinod, surname Verma. Two records is there. df1 equals to data from L. Print df1, it will print it. Now the thing is that it will automatically print it like this thing. This will print it. Name and surname. Sachin Bhardwaj, Vinod Verma. Now next is for row index, comma row value. For row index, uh, one variable, row value second variable in df1 dot iter rows. Only row will create display. Row index 0. Row value is name Sachin, surname Bhardwaj. Name 0 data type object. Same thing here. Name row index 1, name Vinod, surname Burma, type. Now how to create row in a program, we can access it. Program to access the data rows. One by one I am creating it. First import pandas as PD. As PD. PD or any other variable you can take it. Record REC L equals to list curly bracket simple name colon Raj comma surname colon then Raj Verma. Curly bracket close. First record, then second record, Jeet J. So two records we have completed. Now df1 equals to pd dot data frame d and f capital and rec will be added. RECL. It will print a record. Then print df. First I'll compile and run it. Then remaining I'll explain it how to perform. PDF is not defined. See where is PDF is there. PD dot Name, surname, Rajra. This is a simple thing which we have yesterday's or previous lectures we have seen it. Now, next thing, how to access row index. For RI stands for row index, comma RV stands for row value. In df1 dot iter rows and column. Print row index is row index. Column print row index is RI. Row value is RV. Actually, this is the indexing and values. That is the most important thing. So whatever value is there, it will print it df1.iter row. It will accessing a row. Whatever row is there, it will assign index, and according to that index, the value will be displayed. Now, I'll run it. After that, row index is 0. Row value is name. Name 0 data. The second record. Row index is 1. Row value is name and G. Name is it. Actually, it will display full. Then you can see it. The overall record. So I hope this thing you have understood properly. This is called iter row. Now next is iter item. Same thing. We can use it item row wise. Then data column wise. Data column wise. Column name CI and column value CB. And instead of iter row, iter items. ITEMS. Column index, column value, column index, column value. This is the thing. Now index is according to index it will work. In previous program row index, at that time row index is 0. Here column index is name. So that is the most important thing. Same thing column index is surname. So this is first column name index and this is second column index. So according to name and index, it will display it. So that is the difference between iter and iter items. Iter items will display it in the form of column and iter row will display in the form of row. That is the most important thing. I hope this concept is clear. Now select operation to access the column data. We can mention the column names. DF employee ID. If we have any item, then DF dot employee ID. Or this can also be done using DF dot employee ID or DF employee ID. To access multiple columns, we can write it. We can write DF column one, comma column. So import pandas as PD, employee data, employee ID, again dictionary. Inside the dictionary list is there. Column 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Key name, multiple, DOG, DF print, it will print overall activity. Now this thing we can create it so that you understand the properly how the concept will be worked. Data frame list with columns. To access column data, single or multiple. Now how to create it? Import pandas as PD. I'm using here PD P1. Then emp data equals to curly bracket single quotes EID column 101, 102, 103, 104. Then second employment. Only two values I am taking it. That's why. Email. Details. Three records is sufficient. Yes. DF equals to P1 dot data print employee data. I'll run it. Actually, I have not printed it. Print df. Now this thing is there. Now if you want to access any column, any row, we can use it. How to access it? See it just. df.employee ID, print slash n, print df.eid, or you can access also. This says access. This will access only one column value. Yes, only one column value. Now if you want to access multiple columns, print it comma df dot, sorry, df, second is ename. Indentation. Indentation will give the problem. EID is not defined. Okay. Simple quotes always use. This is the thing. First, only employee ID will display. Second, employee ID will display, and employee name also display. Employee ID, employee name. Different columns displayed. Uh, if you want to understand properly, so best option, print. This is first thing. Second thing, only employee ID will access, and third thing, employee ID as well as employee name will access it. Now this is the important thing which we have practiced it. Now next is again to add and rename column. To add and rename a column in data frame. Column, okay, first we understand. Import pandas is PD as equals to PD dot series 10, 15, 18, 20. Series will take it, data frame will take it. df dot columns equals to list 1. To rename the default column of the frame as list 1. df dot list 2 equals to 20. To create a new column list 2 with all values as 20. So list 1, 10, 15, 18, 20. 10, 15, 18, 22. List 2, 20 also, 10, 20, 20. Oh, sorry, 20, 20, 20. Second, create it, but again all the values will same. And list 3 is equals to list 1 plus list 2. That means 10 plus 20, 30. Then 15 plus 10, 15 plus 20, 20, 35. 18 plus 20, 38. And 22 plus 20, 40. This is the rename of the column. How to add it column. I think we have done it in this program. Rename column. Always put वही सेम pdl2 print s1 column s1 dot columns equals to value, column name is changed, print s1. Again we'll see how to run it. फर्स्ट उसका नाम क्या था और सेकंड उसका नाम क्या है. फर्स्ट that is there is no name, zero, and in that case value is. So I think the concept is clear. हम उसमें एक काम और करते हैं, सेम थिंग हम list वन bs dot columns equals to list वन, तो वैल्यूज हो गया. अब जो वैल्यूज हो गया वन ले लो, वैल्यू वन ले लो उसको, और फिर अब वैल्यू टू को कर दो असाइन, s1 dot columns value 2. तो bs dot columns s1 dot columns equals to s1 dot s1 value 2 equal to 30 दे देते हैं, और उसको आप सबको ऐड कर देते हैं. s1 list 3 value 3 as value single quotes value plus s to value 1. value और फिर प्रिंट कर देते हैं, प्रिंट एक्सेस. यहाँ पे स्टेशन प्रिंट स्टेशन. Now understand the concept. L2 list will create, data frame will edit and print it. S1 dot column value print हो गया, then value. The columns value 2, second में value 2 ली, third में value. Same thing will apply. S is not defined. S1. S1 dot value of single quotes, capital and small b variation in here. So again, a very big difference between capital B and small b. That is the most important thing. Value 1 object. Any problem here. Value 1. B1 B2 B2 B3 B1 B2. देखते हैं again, something. इंडेक्स की प्रॉब्लम आ रही है और उसको इस्तेमाल करते हैं. उसको सिंगल कोट्स लगाते हैं और प्रिंट s1 कर देते तो उसको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि the thing is working or not. ये 0 वर्क कर रहा है, 1 वर्क कर रहा है, 1 और ये दोनों एक ही है, दो में 30 अब आपको बस प्लस करना S1 B3 equals to S1 plus S2. New column S3. We cannot add it. We are not adding it right now. Just understand the things. V1 and V2. Important thing, replacement. All the values is 30. All the values is 30 in this position. So that is the most important thing. अब delete करना. There are three things. We can delete the column from a data frame by using any of the delete, pop, and drop. Delete will simply, we can simply delete a column by passing column name. DF list 3. So the same program we can delete it. Now first understand, then I'll explain it. Three things: delete, pop, and drop. Three approach, you can delete any column. Delete DF list 3. List 3 will delete. Here just see the result. DF.pop to list 2. But here delete is direct deleting the object, and here object.pop. Pop method always use this object, and delete method is direct. We can simply delete a column by passing column name in pop. Second, using a drop method. List to x-axis, index to 3 x-axis. DF after deletion, out list 1, list 2 after deletion. Delete a column using drop. Drop means any position, either on row basis or column basis. It will delete it or drop it. Let us see this, how delete and pop will work. Here I am creating one example, reading in list in data. फिर लिस्ट डिस्प्ले फर्स्ट उसका नाम बदला फिर ऐड करा H2 भी ऐड करा 76 H3 वो जो पुराना प्रोग्राम और नहीं चल रहा था उसके अकॉर्डिंग हो जाएगा 63 ऐड कॉलम करा अब डिलीट कर दिया इस बार पॉप भी डिलीट कर दिया so I ran it अब ड्रॉप करके भी देख लेंगे। 0, इसको एक एक करके मैं आपको समझाते हैं। फर्स्ट ये जो है ये S1, दिस विल डिस्प्ले ये फर्स्ट रो। सेकंड एज लिया हमने, तो एज उसी कॉलम को रीनेम करा, दैट इज द रीनेम। फिर ये 67 ऐड कॉलम करा, तो ये ऐड कॉलम लेके यहाँ प्रिंट करा, तो अगेन दिस इज द। फिर एक और लिया एज 76 S1 करा, तो ये एज 12। फिर एज 63 अगेन फिर ऐड करा। अब डिलीट डायरेक्ट यूज करा, डिलीट कॉलम नेम और ब्रैकेट नेम, तो ये डिलीट कर दिया H1 विंडोज को। और फिर पॉप करा, तो ये पॉप यहाँ ये आ गया। एज कर दिया, तो एज विल नॉट डिस्प्ले, एज इज नॉट डिस्प्ले, हियर एज इज नॉट डिस्प्ले। आई होप द कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर, कैसे वर्क कर रहा है, कहाँ कर रहा है, हाउ टू वर्क इट, हाउ टू ऐड कॉलम, हाउ टू डू इट। अब इसमें बस ड्रॉप है, ड्रॉप रिमेनिंग, सो ड्रॉप को मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ इसमें इसी बेसिस पे। ड्रॉप S2 equals to S1 dot drop, और ब्रैकेट में लिया आपने लिस्ट 2, तो अभी अपना एज डिलीट करा और एज 1 डिलीट करा, तो एज 2 ले लेते हैं, एज 2। X is equals to 1, just delete column wise। X is equals to 1 और प्रिंट कर देते हैं S1, print S1। S2 ले लेते हैं, S2 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 S2। वो कभी maybe वो will not work properly। वन रो टू कॉलम, एक्सेस हम इसको 0 लेंगे, because 0 stands for row and 1 stands for column। Maybe it will run it। तो हमने क्या यूज करा, दिस थिंग इज एक्सप्लेन। तो क्या है, फर्स्ट रो का सेकंड कॉलम करने दो। It will drop it. First row, तो दोनों रो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट और सेकंड रो, फर्स्ट इंडेक्स फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड रो, that is the most important, first row and second row. To delete data, row wise is given index, second row, third row delete. X is 0, तो 0 मतलब 1 तो कर रहा है, तो करना चाहिए। अच्छा एज 2 का चक्कर ये वाला है, कैपिटल। अब मेरे ख्याल से वर्क करेगा इसमें, अगेन इट विल वर्क इट प्रॉपर्ली। ये आई क्लियर इट, आई क्लियर इट। इसको अगेन मैं रन करता हूँ। ये एज 2 विल डिलीट, एज 2 सारी डिलीट। तो आई थिंक ड्रॉप भी क्लियर हो गया होगा। सिंटेक्स इज समथिंग डिफरेंट, सिंटेक्स जो है वो डिफरेंट है थोड़ा सा। आपको कुछ मैंने बता दिया, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन मोर एंड मोर थिंग्स, काफी सारी चीजें मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दी। हाउ टू ऐड, हाउ टू डिलीट कॉलम्स, रीनेमिंग इट, हेड टेल बचा, हेड टेल विल सी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। हेड टेल का भी एक मिनट, हेड और टेल का भी मैं आपको क्लियर करता हूँ। हेड एंड टेल पहले उसमें ले लिया अपन, फिर मैं आपको डायरेक्ट प्रोग्राम बता दूंगा। हेड एंड टेल, आई लॉक मेथड भी बचा, आई लॉक मेथड फिर बाद में। चलो आई लॉक और वो आई लॉक एंड डिलीट मेथड विल सी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर। If you have doubt, then you can ping me or comment me.